Xero gives you options for applying payment terms to your bills and invoices. To set the default payment terms for across your company, go to Invoice Settings from the General Settings tab. Select the Default Settings option. The first option is to apply a default payment date for your bills. This is great if you pay most of your bills the same time each month, say towards the end of the following month. In this case, we'll say the 20th of the following month. But you'll notice there's other options here, like simply stating how many days after the bill date as well. The second option is for your sales invoices. Blueroom Design is 14 days after invoice date terms. We enter 14 and then select days after the invoice date. Automatic sequencing allows you to create your own prefixes for invoices and credit notes, as well as to start the sequencing at a different number. Blueroom Design likes their invoices to have the month as a prefix, which of course means they'll need to go in and change this prefix every month. They're a new business, but didn't want to start their invoice sequence from the number 1, so have started at 100. Worth noting is that credit notes and invoices share the same number sequence, so if you raise a credit note after invoice 101, credit note will be 102. Now we can save. When you're entering an invoice or bill, the default dates will automatically show. If you've negotiated a one-off special payment term with a customer, you can override the date at the time of invoicing. And the same applies to bills, of course, if they need to be paid sooner or later than the default terms you've set up. What if you have a customer who has negotiated special payment terms on an ongoing basis? You really don't want to have to change that every time, so you can apply these terms by editing the contact details. Go into the contact and edit, and then update the invoice settings. You can, of course, easily override these as well for individual invoices for this customer. The other advantage to setting up your payment terms is it will feed through to your money coming in and money going out graphs on the main dashboard, as well as the sales and purchase dashboards when you're entering your invoices in with the payment terms that you'd like them to have. So payment terms are well worth setting up to save you data entry time and to ensure that the due dates are correct on your invoices and bills.